Hello everyone, welcome back to another MPX video. Today we have an AMG CLS63 with the M156 normally aspirated engine. We're adding Kleemann long tube headers, MBH sport cats and X-pipe. We're welding it all together at the shop locally. Turned out pretty well. We're adding a Eurocharged version 7 Tsuen with the ever popular pops and bangs feature. We'll also be installing Weistec billet aluminum pulleys because the standard pulleys are plastic and they always fall apart, as well as the Weistec oil catch can to keep the oil out of the intake manifold. After everything was installed, the Tsuen loaded, and we took it to the dyno again to have it tested, and it showed significant gains in horsepower and torque. But what was really interesting was the driving experience. The car's totally transformed. The sound from the exhaust, the way the engine revs, all the way to redline. It's so much fun to drive now.